The Southern and Eastern Africa Trade Information and Negotiations Institute, CETINI, thinks the tax proposals aren't the best thing to happen now to businesses that have already been hit by COVID-19.
So the greater burden of tax collection is exerted on the less than 2 million taxpayers. So we think that the tax bills as they are going to increase the burden, the tax burden on the taxpayer.
Henry Bazira, the executive director of the Water Governance Institute, says the issue with the bills is the effect they will have on an already ailing economy.
We want to understand what's the purpose of increasing the penalties. Is it intended to enhance compliance, or is it actually a revenue collection strategy? And in light of the fact that we are currently a bit broke, to us it appears that the intent is to raise revenue rather than enhance compliance, tax compliance.
They add that giving the Commissioner power to arrest defaulters and fining them to ensure compliance will also interfere with the reception by taxpayers.
I think in the first place they needed to if one was replacing another, now you cannot have both. I think if we remain with the licensing fees to own the vehicle and to use it on the roads, then we don't have to pay a lot of money on fuel. If the money on fuel, like now it's 4,000, if it has to continue at 4,000, then the licensing fees should not be there. Otherwise, if you have both, you are double taxing the taxpayer, and you are like punishing him for being able to have a car. And at the end of the day, people always say, I think there is no reason why you should have cars. And if you are looking for development, I think that's going backward.
Godfrey Mwanje, who is the chairperson Masaka District Non-Government Organizations Forum, thinks Uganda Revenue Authority should reach out and explain to the taxpayers on every development, but also avoid choking them on multiple taxes. Viola Kusasira and Simon Semazi for the news in Kampala.